Let's look at the translation of the third set of exercises for Chapter 3. The first one says, La souris a tant d'amis. The mouse has so many friends. So tant de, the expression of quantity, is translated as so many. You wouldn't want to say so much friends, because friends are countable. Les souris ont trop de chats. The mice has too many cats. So that's, I'm not quite sure what that means, but if you were one of those mice, it would probably be quite meaningful for you. Cette souris a un ami gentil. This mouse has a nice friend. So we've got, this mouse has a nice friend. La plupart des chats ne sont pas des souris. So here we've got la plupart des chats, meaning most, the larger part of the number of cats. Most cats ne sont pas des souris. So most cats are not mice. Some of them reject living in this binary world between cats and mice. Peu de souris ne sont pas gentils. Peu de souris would mean few mice, and then we've got sont, are, with the ne pas around it, negation. Few mice are not nice, which means that most mice are nice. Les amis du chat sont peu gentils. So here we have les amis du chat, the friends of the cat, or the cat's friends. And then we have are, literally it says are little nice, but we wouldn't say that in English, so we would translate this to a negation, are not very nice. The cat's friends are not very nice. And then finally, les amis de la souris sont un peu gentils. So this is the same sentence as this one, but instead of sont peu, we've got sont un peu gentils. The mouse's friends are somewhat nice. Un peu gentil means a little nice, somewhat nice, something like that.